Okay, dear students, today we are discussing about concave downwards, concave upwards, and point of inflection. First of all, conceptually, while learning conceptually, you can see that the green tangent, the line is drawn from S point, that is tangent, and this color also at a G point, and F point, and I point. If we have observed these 4 points and their tangents, all the tangents are uh, over the curved line or just above the curved line. Above the curved lines, yeah. Curved line माथि छन् सबै tangentहरू. And at this point E point, the tangent is directly straight to the line for few parts, yeah. It goes through the curve. And if we have drawn the tangent from C point, D point, here not, and B, and is from these 3 points, the tangent is just below the curve line, above the curve lines and below, upper and lower. And at this A point, that is like like E, it goes through the curve line. So the point E and point A are point of inflection where the tangent neither above the curve line or below the curve line. So that is the concept of concave, the point of inflection. यो सिधै जान्छ, यो माथि पनि पर्दैन तल पनि पर्दैन, कर्भकै पोइन्टमा केही पोइन्टमा स्ट्रेट भएर जाने कर्भ छ भने त्यो पोइन्ट कुनै पोइन्ट छ भने द्याट इज पोइन्ट अफ इन्फ्लेक्सन. एन्ड इन अदर केस दिस इज कन्केभ डाउनवर्ड्स हुनको लागि सिम्पली हामीले बुझ्दा जुन कर्भ छ जुन फङ्सन छ त्यो कर्भ भएको फङ्सन त्यसको टेन्जेन्टहरूले त्यसलाई तल पार्छ अथवा त्योभन्दा माथि टेन्जेन्टहरू पर्छन्, माथिबाट जान्छन् भने कन्केभ अपवार्ड्स हुनको लागि टेन्जेन्टहरू तलबाट जान्छन्, कर्भलाई माथि पार्छन्. कर्भलाई माथि पारियो भने त्यो कन्केभ अपवार्ड्स भयो. टेन्जेन्टले कर्भलाई तल पार्यो भने कन्केभ डाउनवर्ड्स भयो. नाइदर अप नर डाउन, तल माथि कहीँ पनि पारेन, त्यही रूपमा स्ट्रेटमा गयो भने त्यो पोइन्टलाई चाहिँ हामी पोइन्ट अफ इन्फ्लेक्सन भनिन्छ. पोइन्ट अफ इन्फ्लेक्सन भनेको एउटा पार्टिकुलर पोइन्ट भयो. यो अपवर्ड र डाउनवर्ड्सको केसमा चाहिँ हामी केही इन्टरभल लिनु पर्यो. इन्टरभलको आधारमा अपवर्ड्स र डाउनवर्ड्स हामीले फाइन्ड आउट गर्छौँ. र यो कन्ट्याक्ट पोइन्ट होइन लाइज एबभ एनी टेन्जेन्ट टु इट्स, द्याट इज इन्टरभल होइन, लाइज एबभ होइन. यो अपवर्ड्स डाउनवर्ड्स हुनको लागि टेन्जेन्ट लाइज एबभ, डाउनवर्ड्स हुनको लागि टेन्जेन्ट लाइज बिलो होइन. द्याट इज द कन्सेप्ट अफ कन्केभ अपवर्ड्स एन्ड कन्केभ downwards. Now we have to solve some question, dear students. Before solving the question that I have already mentioned the procedure, we'll find first derivative, we'll find second derivatives, and we'll find point of inflection, we will find interval, and we'll find whether second derivative increasing or decreasing or positive or negative. Then we can find concave upwards or concave downwards. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will show it by the problem. Now the instruction is determine where the graph is concave upwards and where it is concave downwards of the following function. This is the instruction, and the question, first number question is f of x equal x to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 5. Now the solution for this question is here f of x equal x to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 5. This is the first part. Then we have to find the derivative of this. First derivative f dash x. F dash x equal 4x cube minus 3 to the 6x square. Similarly, we have to find second derivative. Second derivative is 4 3 is 12x square minus 6 to the 12x. Here, now for the point of inflection. Now for the point of inflection, second derivative equal to 0. So 12x square minus 12x equal to 0. 12x is common. X minus 1 equal to 0. Yes, either 12x equal to 0, x equal to 0, or x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1. Yes, we will find the point of inflection in this way. Now the intervals are, yes, if we compare in a number line, this is 0, this is 1, this is minus infinity, this is plus infinity. One interval is 1 comma infinity, second is 0 comma 1, and third is minus infinity comma 1, 0. So in these three intervals we need to check second derivatives. Now for x greater than 1, that means that is the interval 1 comma infinity. In this part I have checked f double dash x equal, what is the f double dash x? 12x square minus 12x equal, for any positive value of x greater than 1, if we have taken the testing number 2, suppose 2 to the 4, simply it will be 12x minus x minus 1. So if we have taken here 2 greater than 1 is testing value. If we have taken 2 minus 1 is positive times this will be positive, yes, f second dash will be positive for x greater than 1, or that is within this interval. So the graph is concave upwards. I will show by the graph as well, dear students. Wait for that figure. And for this part, yes, this part is for suppose this I will take third and middle one I will take later. For x less than 0, that means the interval is minus infinity to 0. F double dash x equal, that is 12x x minus 1. If we have taken testing number as 0, then less than 0, maybe minus 1. Minus 1 will be minus 2. Minus 2 times minus 1 times 12 will be minus 12. Minus plus, it will be also positive. Here in this interval also, so the graph is concave upwards. In these intervals also the graph is also concave upwards. Now for 0 is smaller than x is smaller than 1, that means 0 to 1 interval, f second dash x equal 2 x x minus 1 equal, in this interval the value, suppose 0 0.5. If I have taken 0 0.5, it will be minus 0 0.5, and these times it will be negative. It will be negative or less than 0. So the graph is concave downwards. Now diagrammatically we can show this also. I have shown, I can see, I can show the diagram for this function. Let me find the new windows. The function is y equal the function is y equal x to the power 4 minus x 3 plus 5. So you can see the function. Now according to our answer we can check. Yes, we can check according to our answer. In this interval 0 to 1, this is 0 to 1, it is concave downwards. Let me check the line also. Let me draw the line from point 1. Another interval is 0 comma 1. Yeah, here you can see from this to this is concave upwards, and from yes 0 to 1 and greater than 1 it is concave upwards, and 0 to 1 concave downwards. Here you can see concave downwards. And yes, we have three intervals. One is greater than 1, this interval, or another is 0 to 1, this is concave downwards, and less than 0 also you can see this is concave upward. यो पनि माथि गएको छ हैन, हामी हेर्न सक्छौं। यो पनि अब यहाँबाट माथि जान सुरु गर्यो, यति तल झरेको छ, डाउनवर्ड्स भएको छ, यहाँबाट यो पनि माथि आएको छ। यसरी हामी graphically पनि we can check within that interval whether the curve or the line or the function is concave upwards or concave downwards. Continue my recording. Yes, question number IV, dear students. F of x equal x cube minus 9x square defined on interval minus 2 comma 5. The solution is, here we have given the function equal x cube minus 9x square. First derivative, easily you can say 3x square minus 9 to the 18x. Second derivative is easily you can find 3 to the 6x minus 18. To find point of inflection, f second dash x equal to 0. That is 6x minus 18 equal 0. That's why 6x equal to 18, x equal to 3. This is the point of inflection. And the point x equal to 3 lies on minus 2 comma 5 हैन, यो भित्रै पर्छ नि त। यो पार्ट हामीले चेक गर्छौं, कहिलेकाहीँ बाहिरको पोइन्ट हो त यो इन्टरभलमा हेर्न सकिन्न भन्ने सेन्समा मात्रै भनेको। Now the intervals are हाम्रो लाइन छ यो -2, यो 5, यो 0.3. This is one interval, another interval. or another one is -2, -2, 3, and next one is 3 and close interval 5. So we have to find, yes, the second derivative, value of second derivative when -2 less or equal than x less than 3, f double dash x is नेगेटिभ हुन्छ कि हुँदैन। यो बिचको पोइन्ट मैले एउटा कुनै टेस्टिङ पोइन्ट लिएँ, -1 लिएँ, सेकेन्ड डेरिभेटिभमा पुग्छु -1 यो नेगेटिभ, यो पनि नेगेटिभ, विल अब्टेन नेगेटिभ। सो द गिवन फंक्शन इज कन्केभ, नेगेटिभ आयो भने के भयो, अपवर्ड, concave downwards, and similarly when 3 less than x less or equal than 5, f double dash x, हामी f double dash x लाई चेक गरौँ, कुनै टेस्टिङ पोइन्ट 4 लियौँ भने 4 6 जा 24 minus this will be positive value. So the given function is concave upwards. Let me check whether the solution is right or wrong. We can see here the function, we can check y equal x cube minus 9x square. You can see we can see here. So within the interval, okay, yes, we can see here the interval is 0,5. Here we have to check -2 comma from here. Okay, now standard view I will develop. I can develop standard view. Our -2 to 5, here we have to check -2 to 5, the interval is -2 comma 5, so it is concave downwards. Yeah, concave downwards at x equal to 3. From here we have observed यो x equal to 3 भन्दा यताको इन्टरभलमा हेर्यौं यो कन्केभ डाउनवर्ड्स भयो। हाम्रो सोलुसनले के भन्छ, यसमा चाहिँ कन्केभ डाउनवर्ड्स छ। ल हेर्नुस्, हामीले गरेको यो इन्टरभलमा -2 बाट 3 सम्मको इन्टरभलमा कन्केभ डाउनवर्ड्स छ। चित्त बुझ्यो हैन, कन्केभ डाउनवर्ड्स छ यो इन्टरभलमा। अब फेरि तपाई जानुस् 3 बाट 5 को इन्टरभल्समा जानुस्। 3 बाट 5 को इन्टरभलमा जाँदाखेरि यो कर्भ डेफिनेटली कन्केभ अपवर्ड हुनुपर्छ। हेर्नुस्, यो 3 बाट 5 सम्मकोमा हामी हेर्दै जान्छौं। यसलाई यो फंक्सनको भ्यालु